Hello, so this is the failed branch here at the top of the tree. As you can see, there's no buds on there. It's different colours and more deadwood and the paler colours here. Now this is healthy trunk here, and the branch will die back to this point here. It's already replacing this branch with a couple of tiny little branches at the back there from last year. So basically I've sterilised my pruners with a little bit disinfectant and water and dried them, and I'm just going to prune off about an inch and a half. So just take some of the smaller part out first, just so it's not too much stress on that one cut if you let the whole branch on. I'll take it off from here, and I think I'll leave it there. I'll leave that much on till next year, and then I can cut that a lot closer when this is completely dyed back, and it'll be grey to about this point here, and I can just reduce that in the future. So it'll safely die now. As you can see, it's completely dead wood in there. There's no green on the external part of the bark. It's dead. So next year I can come back and prune that and just tidy that up a little bit. There's no other bits of dieback on the tree, and all I have to do later on is just clean the pot a little bit. Just pull out some of those little bits of moss or bits of weeds. Any sort of tool that does the job or gets into the fine bits. Sometimes I use a pencil to get in between these roots, or soft toothbrush to brush any moss off the trunk if there's any. And then this is handy. I use an old decorating brush and just brush the sides, tilt the pot over with one hand and clean the bottom of the pot, make sure there's no bugs and dirt or soil on the bottom. And that's it really. The tree's ready for spring. I did water the pots a little bit the other day because we haven't had a great deal of rain this year, and as the trees are starting to wake up, it won't hurt to have a little bit of moisture in the pot. Not soaking wet, just enough to dampen the compost from the top to the bottom. And that's it, literally. Just wait till spring and this will sort itself out in time. So that's one tree that we were shown in the post. Okay, bye for now.